everyone, welcome back to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipes. And today I'm going to show you how to make this cranberry fig cinnamon breakfast loaf. We are going to start this recipe by making sure that you are using preferably a glass container which is similar to a bread loaf pan. That's just going to make things really easy, because remember guys, this is a breakfast loaf. And in here I have 1 cup of steel cut oats and 1.5 cup of rolled oats. I'm just going to mix everything together, wash it, and add cranberries, dried figs, cinnamon, and few cardamom. I'm just opening a pod of cardamom and going to add it as is. Now these cranberries that I just added in here, they are a little special because they are home dried by a dear friend of mine, and hence they do not contain any sugar, so they are unsweetened. So what she does is she gets fresh cranberries and she air dries it in the oven. I shouldn't say air dry, but dries it at a low temperature. I believe it's 180 degrees for a few hours, and we make sure that they are not overly dried, so they still have a little bit of moisture left. But what is missing in here is sugar, which is perfect. Adding water that will fill 3/4 of this loaf pan. Now I'm going to allow this to sit, this mixture out for 15 to 20 minutes before it goes into the oven at 350 degrees for at least 30 minutes. This is the easiest way to slice this loaf. This slice is on the skillet. The skillet is already warmed up. Cook until they are brown on the both sides. Once it's nice and crispy, it's time to add some toppings. I'm adding persimmon. Make sure you watch my video on the health benefits of persimmon. Persimmon's in season as we speak. They are very rich in variety of nutrients. Make sure to watch my video. I'm just going to add just a couple of walnuts. You can add any nut of your choice, and then usually I don't do this, but today I'm going to just drizzle tiny bit of maple syrup. Absolutely magical, easy to make breakfast loaf, which is low in calories, no fat, and just delicious. So here you have it, absolutely magical, easy to make breakfast loaf, packed with cranberries and now topped with this parmesan, maple syrup, and nuts. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon, and see you next time.